Welcome to watch the introduction video of the use and efficacy of K30. Take out the body. Open the neutral brush head. It has 3 adjustable gears, the first gear with the smallest vibration frequency. Second gear is moderate vibration frequency. Third gear is faster vibration frequency. Hand demonstration: neutral brush head is used to remove dirt and makeup from the pores of the face. Pull out brush head and replace by another head. Connect the EMS microcurrent head. Hand demonstration: EMS microcurrent head are used to shape V-face, achieve facelift and anti-aging. Pull out the EMS head to replace by another head. Connect the hot/cold head and choose the corresponding gear to use. Hand demonstration: constant temperature hot compress can improve skin fatigue, lighten dark circles and relieve dry eyes. After replacing the import and export head, select the corresponding gear and light effect to use. Hand demonstration: Blu-ray positive ion export, deep clean pores. Hand demonstration: red light for nutrition, negative ion input, firm and moisturizing skin. After taking out the silicone ring, you can put on the makeup remover and then put on the silicone ring. Hand demonstration: Blu-ray positive ion export, deep clean pores. Open the bottom cover and connect the charging cable to charge. Welcome to watch the introduction video of the use and efficacy of K30.